Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. First, we need to turn, or rather press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. So keep holding the button. And once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. It will take a few seconds, so let's wait. As you can see, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.